Hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm. Just want to show you, we finally got the finally integrating big chickens and little chickens. So down there in our old main coop, we've got the little ones. They're about 6 weeks old-ish. So we got 15 of them in here. They took over what used to be the main coop. So they're all set up and ready to go. And right through the fence, which is just awesome, are all the older chickens in this big run that we made. The internal coop is finished that you all saw in the last episode. I got a sliding door on the side of the barn right now. It's kind of temporary. I think I'll put in one of those solar doors. We'll see. That's just temporary, so they've got a place to get in there and we can lock them up from the coons at night. And so far we're just waiting for them to go in. We've got a couple that have went in the new coop already. I don't know if they've roosted yet or not, but we'll go around and check it out. So let's take a look and see if anybody's roosting over here. Take a quick walk. Come in this dark barn.
Leghorn on top.
Oh, look at that. We got a leghorn way up on top because they love to perch up high, and there she is, way up on top. Got an Isa Brown sitting there in the middle. And I got some girls. Looks like they're outside waiting to come in. All the egg boxes are done. Finished those up today to include, pardon the mess, it's just, we have a bunch of crap everywhere. So now I've got these nesting boxes that we talked about. I put the hinges on so you can lift these up, and they've got a tab on the bottom of them. So you bring this down, it locks that pan in place, that paint pan. So now we're hoping that we'll come out here and there'll be a bunch of eggs in there. So right now we put a little bit of bedding in there, just because we don't have the boxes, the paint pans finished with the fake grass and all that. So far, it looks like integration's going okay. We've got a leghorn went in there and roosted on her own, and I'm sure the rest are coming. We've got a total of four big perches in there. We got room for probably 16 to 20 chickens in here at least. Okay, good morning. It's like 5:45 the next day, and we're gonna let these birds out and to see kind of how they did. Okay, little chicks. Come on out, kitties. Come on out, chicks. Come on out, guys. It's time to eat. Here they all come. That was your first night in the big coop. And they just keep on coming. Is that everybody? Let's go take a look in the back. Make sure we don't have anybody straggling in there. Well, it's empty. Everybody's out. Don't have the nesting boxes in there right now. Let's go check on the big ones. All right, we get to check on and look at them real quick before we go let them out the door. Looks like everybody's in there and happy. They're milling around on the floor. Roosting. All right, I'll come let you guys out. So here's my rigged up door here that I made yesterday in a pinch. There you go. Amazing coat hanger latch. Well, they all come. I'm going to get out this gate before I get mobbed. Okay. Everything seems to be working great. Everybody seems happy. Get this gate latched here, I'll be happy. Okay. So there you have it. So far so good. Everybody seems to be doing well in their new setup here. So the plan is we'll give it a couple weeks, with these big chickens out here in the big run and using the internal coop. And the little guys over there that is enclosed, so they can all see each other every day back and forth, and they get used to each other. And then we'll just kind of turn them loose in a couple of weeks and see how they do. For now, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you got questions, please post them in the comments below about how we did this, or if you have any ideas, what you think about it. And, hey, are we doing this right? Because I'd like to know. I've only been doing chickens for a couple years, but I've learned a lot. And I'll tell you, there's always more to learn. So if you got something to add or some suggestions, please let me know. As always, thanks for watching.